This is what I really come for. Stuff like this.
I know.
Oh, and that's gorgeous. That's Triumph. Oh, you don't see that. You will never see that Triumph. This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2021 AACA Fall Meet, commonly called Hershey. Checking out this 1939 Francis. This, I have to apologize right away. I thought it was a Triumph at first. No, it is a Francis. Look at this, double overhead cam, 4-cylinder, twin SUs, I love it. Twin fuel pumps, because we all know how dependable SU fuel pumps are. You can see the plate Francis. Beautiful. I like this. This car would not exist save for the dream that turned reality of Frank Delaney, a true enthusiast. Nice dedication. That's the specs over here from 1939. Wow, chassis number 129. I'm looking at this is just remarkable. Just remarkable. Beautiful. This is a very high quality car. There's the trafficators, I always like that. I'm going to show you inside. Yeah, all the controls up on the steering. Oh, it smells beautiful inside. It's got a 4-speed on the floor. Now, that's what's interesting. See the cushions? I'll show you why. You can actually flip up. That is a British way of having a dicky seat or rumble seat. You'd open that up and have the seat back there. It's just a beautiful car. I love the way how the luggage rack just sits up so high. Very interesting. The British always had some very intriguing ways of doing things. Some of the photos of how it came in. 1960 in Earl's Court. 46 in Togson Hall. And 81 in Leeds. There's Frank Delaney. Like I said, 60 Earl's Court.
And you got excellent taste. Pam, you have excellent taste.
Thank you. This is gorgeous.
This is killer, huh?
For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com. And while you're there, post your events on the car show calendars. If you like this video and more unusual cars like this, make sure you click subscribe. I'll see you at the shows.